This is the Tamobyke Cityscape 2.0 and I'm taking it out for a beer run. I got my Milwaukee Cooler strapped to the front rack and none of the beer will be consumed until we're safe at home. I got ice in the cooler. We're gonna go through a drive-through beer place, and on the way there I'm gonna take it off-road, and then on the way back I'm just gonna use the pavement so I don't set up my beers. So let's get after it. I hope you like and subscribe. Take this back trail. Definitely handles the off-road pretty well. We're here at the drive-thru in Beer City. Pulling on up here to the drive-thru beer place. Get this open. Go pick out some beer. Fill that up. Look at all the beer we can choose from. Wow.
Yeah, so the first 5 doors is like floor beers over there. Then we got some seasonal stuff, so pumpkins and Oktoberfest.
Nice.
And then you get some craft beers with the rest of the country over the rest of the West. It's that one that they recommend.
Oh, 5 points?
Kind of like West Coast.
Yeah.
Not totally West Coast, but not easy.
Okay. And then let's see what else. So we got the beer. We're going to put it in here, stay nice and cool. Get some of that ice on there. You could definitely fit a 6-pack in here. And these tall boys go in there nice and easy. Zip this up. We got that beer from Craft Beer City in the cooler. Let's get this motoring home. Sun's coming out. Go home and watch some football, have some beers. Nice easy ride home. Holding steady. 27, 28 miles an hour. Pedal assist mode 5. You can see all the rain from the hurricane. Low-lying area is pretty flooded out, so I'm gonna have to stay on these paved paths. Bro, that guy's passed out. Maybe he had one too many beers. All right, we made it home safe and sound. It's time to open this up and take a sip from our beers. I'm gonna start here with the high test beer. This one's 5 points. I never had this one. So let's go ahead. Not too bad. Yeah. Wasn't shaking up too much. The bike did great, both on-road and off-road. It was 14 miles to the beer store, and I have 2 bars left on the battery screen, so I'd estimate that this gets 18 to 20 miles of range. Now you could go further and farther if you were to lower your speed. I hope that you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments, and cheers.